Artifact 2, Standard 1.2 ISTE Criterion 3, actively participate in a local or digital global network. I was able to create a Instagram for myself, a teacher Instagram that you see here, School by Miss Snipes. And I was also able to use these various things to create a professional learning network reflection where I talked about my use of Instagram interacting on teacher TikTok, using ISTE as a means for professional learning. I updated my goals. I wanted to continue to interact with the ISTE plan and participate in discussions and sessions. And then I wanted to try to create content for new teachers that may need help finding their way on Instagram and TikTok. For future professional learning networks, I really wanted to find a professional learning network that help prepare teachers that are looking to get out of the classroom for more tech-based roles in education and beyond. I still have not found this type of professional learning network, but I have been able to connect with some people on LinkedIn about that. Here is more professional learning networks that I've been able to gain an experience with. The Professional Learning Educator Fellowship that I was invited to join by my principal for my school district. I was able to connect with peers by responding to discussion posts and reading discussion posts that they wrote about things that were happening in their classroom. Here's a response to a peer. I was able to use Edutopia and really read the blogs and different posts by different teachers and educators. This specific post I responded to, it was talking about icebreakers at meetings. Are they necessary? Do we like them? Do we not like them? And this teacher or this person who is in education talked about the icebreaker that was done at her school, and I love this. I thought that it counted as an icebreaker, and I wanted to use this idea with peers and students. I thought that it can be great in our weekly professional development sessions. Here's another discussion post to a peer. This was a presentation that I used to give professional learning to peers. I created a slideshow based on integrating technology into reading lessons, and I shared this with my peers at our weekly professional development sessions. We completed an icebreaker. They really enjoyed this. And I wanted just to let them know of all the uses of technology and various ways that we can use technology in our classroom. At the end, I offered an optimistic closure for us to respond to one another and give me an opportunity to respond back to them. I asked them to keep an open mind and think of 3 ways that they can improve their instruction through the use of technology. And I asked them to share with their neighbor. They gave some great responses, and I was also able to respond greatly back to them.